Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to calculate discount amount based on number of days settlement. In other words, it is a different type of slabs. For 7 days and below 2%, 8 and 14 days 1.5%, 15 to 21 1%, 22 to 30 days half percent. Above 30 days there is no discount. For that, first we have to construct single if formula so that next we can go for nested one. Single, just 30 days above, sheet 10 multiply with 0 slab, so 0 will come. Okay, if not met condition 0, but below 30 days or 30 days, it will be a half percent. Between 15 to 21 days 1%. 8 to 14 days 1.5%, and 7 and below 7 it's a 2%. If we have to each every time we have to use if formula here for 30 days, 22 days, again below 15 days, again below 8 days, then 7 days below, like that every time we have to use if function. After that we have to close it properly, comma with brackets, then it will work fine. Whereas when we want to use if function, we need not to worry about nested ifs. Simply type ifs, just give number of days, (30 days), then just bracket open, multiply with 0 because it's a above 30 days. Then again need not to write if here, simply again give the same criteria, above 22 days, then amount is C10, multiply with 0.005, comma, again you just try with the same number of days is 15, C10 multiply with 1%, comma, need not to worry about if function, you just keep on add whatever conditions. Here you just close it with the less than and equal to 7 days, 0 to 2%, comma, finally just put true, comma, then you can put 0, just close it. So this is the simplest method for using if function. So each and every time need not to write if, simply use ifs function so that you can keep on add conditions. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.